Hello everyone, I still remember my humble self Chukwuka Obelago, and today I'll be talking about a special offer or a special gift that I have for the best customers of the Billion Coin Mart. Okay, the best customers of the Billion Coin Mart. Who is the best customer in the Billion Coin Mart? Somebody who follows the instruction and you know follows instruction and also patronize us in a way of promoting TBC and encouraging us to keep on being innovative when it comes to TBC. Okay, now I know it's far from perfect. Okay, a lot of people want to spend their money on TBC. They want to purchase mobile phones. They want to purchase not only mobile phones. They want to purchase smartphones and laptops. Okay, but we are not there yet. Okay, the store is focused mainly on ebooks, fashion accessories, and mobile phone accessories. Okay, and part of the reason why we are still on the track of accepting 50% TBC is because we have come to notice that people want to actually dump their TBC in exchange for goods and services. Okay, they want to dump their TBC. Some are even willing to pay one full TBC for an item. Okay, and we don't encourage that. We don't encourage that. Okay, because TBC, the goal of TBC is to become money. Okay, and at the same time eradicating poverty. That we are offering e-commerce service to TBC is to give TBC more validation for people who are not members of TBC to be able to come in. Okay, when they know that they can buy TBC and at the same time spend their TBC, give them more confidence to come in to the community. Okay, and that is why we are offering our service when we know that things are not there yet, but we're coming early now to make it easy for people to sell their TBC, for people to get new people to join TBC. Okay, and you guys can attest to how far or how to how far it has helped improve people's decision to join TBC. Okay, now most importantly, the reason why we are still on 50% TBC is because the role or the goal of every merchant is to be able to place order and restock for future order. Okay, because if a merchant is not able to restock, he's out of business. Okay, and the rate of orders we are getting is not at par with the rate of TBC we are selling. Okay, the rate, let me say this again, the rate at which we are getting orders is way higher than the rate at which we are selling TBC. So we going for all out to give 100% TBC will put us in a position, okay, of not being able to fulfilling orders and us shutting down in a very short time. Okay, you get what I'm saying? So this is why we are sticking to 50% TBC for physical items. Okay, there's nothing stopping us from accepting 100% TBC, but we want to be here to stay. We don't want to show up today and go tomorrow because we couldn't restock, we couldn't meet up with demands, we couldn't fulfill orders. But right now, as I speak to you, when you make your payment, 50% TBC, 50% cash, your orders are fulfilled and delivered to you. Okay? Yes, we position ourselves to be able to take care of the rest of the world when it comes to purchases. So that's why sometimes you see most times the items takes up to 30 days to reach its destination, even in Nigeria, because we position ourselves to ship directly from our suppliers. Okay, so that we will be able to, if the guy in India wants to purchase an item, it's easy for us to send to him. If the guy in the United States places an order, it's easy to send to him. And China and other and Japan and Netherlands, okay, where we purchase our items, have more friendly export system than ours, tested and trusted. So business wise, it's better to ship directly from our suppliers to you. Though we're making arrangements for those Nigerians who are willing to pay premium shipping for us to get their items within maximum 10 days. Okay, so guys, I want you guys to understand why we are on 50% TBC, because I see guys, people go online on the store and they order $3,000 worth of items. Jeez, $3,000. You know what? How much that is? Fulfilling that order alone can jeopardize my business. Okay, I'm putting every other TBCian at the risk of not having an online store where they can go and shop with their TBC. Okay, so I want you guys to understand this. Okay, to understand this, don't just be about you, be about the community, be about making systems come and stay so that the community can benefit from it for a very long time. When we assist as the community improves, as services improves, and as the fiat exchange comes, okay, we will keep on improving. But I need you guys to understand why we started with 50% TBC for physical items, the 100% TBC for ebooks, because those ebooks, we can manage ebooks because it's electronic books. Okay, we know how we sort them. Okay, it's not easy sorting them anyway, but we know how we sort them so that we can give it to you for 100% TBC. So guys, this is not what I wanted to say, but I just wanted to lay this out so that the guys who are giving thumbs up or who are feeling that, hey, this store is a fraud, why are you saying you're accepting TBC, meanwhile you're not accepting TBC? Someone even went as far as saying that my items are fake. Come on, who does that? Okay, who does that? I have more to lose, because this is not the only business I do. Okay, I have more to lose when I sell items that are fake or don't even exist. Okay, all products that are being sold on the Billion Coin Mart and my other stores are handpicked. Okay, not just random, handpicked. Okay, the best suppliers, the best products, and the way they process the items is what makes it possible for us to meet the time frame that we offered to you. So guys, to your coming with next time, I'm going to drop another video where I'm going to share the special announcement, okay, to encourage those who are our best customers, who actually patronize us mostly on the physical goods item where they pay 50% TBC, 50% cash. Okay, all right, take care, bye for now.